Hello fan collectors, Braxton the Vintage Fan Man here, and what we have for you today is a Thomas ceiling fan model T3. So, yeah, this is going to Aiden's Ceiling Fan Corner in trade for his Laguna, his KB52 SMC Laguna. It's brown and polished brass, but you guys will be seeing that after Fanimation, obviously. Yeah. Until then, I've got this. So, this thing I found at Habitat. Let me move that. There we go. Yeah, this thing I found at Habitat for, I believe, $10 back in New Year's of 2020. Two. We were transitioning over from 2021 to 2022. For those that don't understand. Yeah. It's got some scratches, but I don't see it to be okay. It's only this one that has the scratch. Okay. It's because of the blades being in storage. That's why. But yeah, it is reversible. I'm not gonna bother showing reverse. Testing rig is put back together. So yeah. Get this started on load. Yeah, it did have a originally it did have one of those snap pull chains. It was like high off, low off, or not, high off, variable speed off. That pull chain broke, and I decided to put a 2-speed pull chain in place of it, which I thought was necessary. And based on that type of pull chain, that made me think 70s. So, yeah. Or it's making me think 70s at the moment. So, 0.18 on amps, 22 watts, and power factor 1. That's a lot. Okay. Let's go ahead and inch it up. There it is. For some reason, the variable speed is a little wonky. .34 amps, 29 watts. Power factor 0.71. That's weird. Switch it up. Right there, so put it on full power anyways. 0.71 amps. It's a little low on the power factor, 0.91, and 77 watts. 0.7 amps. That's weird. Still on. Oops, forgot that was on. Spin down. Also, yes, Aiden, you're getting the switch cap and the nut. There it is, right there. Still spinning down. plastic too. Okay. Come on, Thomas, stop. We'll do 0 high after this because we have already done the variable speed. Dang, the thing's bearings are real good. Holy hell, man. Okay, that took forever. Anyway, 0 to high. Start off at 0.75. We're going to drop to 0.7, 0.70. This is a K63 type. Or, I think it's K55 actually, but looks like a K63 even though it's K55. Yep, that's it. Well, that's all we have. That's all we have for today, folks. Have a good rest of your day, and more videos to come. Peace.